Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see Botany chapter 1 transporting plants of class 12. Different molecules are transported from one place to the another place in a plant body. For example, water has to be transported from roots to the tip of the plant body, and the photosynthetes or the food materials has to be transported from leaves to the other parts of the plant body. So the molecules move from one part of the plant body to the another part of the plant body. How this transport of molecules takes place? So there are three main means of transport. Those are diffusion, facilitated diffusion, and active transport. So first we'll see what is diffusion. Diffusion is a passive process where there is no requirement of energy or ATP. For diffusion to occur, there has to be a concentration gradient where at one region of the plant body there has to be high concentration of the molecule, and at the other region of the plant body there has to be a low concentration. And the transport takes place from the high concentration region to the low concentration region, which makes it a downhill process. Diffusion does not require any transporters or membrane proteins. Coming to facilitated diffusion. Facilitated diffusion is also a passive process which does not require any energy or ATP. For facilitated diffusion to occur, there has to be a concentration gradient of molecules, where in one region there has to be high concentration of molecules and at the other region there has to be low concentration of those molecules. And this transport takes place from high concentration region to the low concentration region. And in this transport, there is a requirement of membrane proteins or transporters. These membrane proteins or transporters form channels in the membranes of a plant cell, and through these channels, molecules move across the membrane. Examples of such protein transporters are porins and water channels called aquaporins. There is a term called transport saturation, which means that transport rate reaches maximum when all the protein transporters are being used. This is an important VSAQ, and porins is also an important VSAQ. There are three main types of facilitated diffusion, which are uniport, antiport, and symport. In uniport, the protein channel transports one molecule in one direction. In antiport, the protein channel transports two molecules in opposite direction. In symport, the protein channel transports two molecules in the same direction. These carrier proteins or the transporters are specific. That means one kind of transporter will carry one type of molecule only. They are specific to the molecules they carry. The third means of transport is active transport. This transport requires energy or ATP, and this transport occurs against the concentration gradient. That is, if one region has high concentration of molecules and the other region has low concentration of molecules, the transport takes place from low concentration region to the high concentration region, which makes it an uphill process. And this transport requires membrane proteins or transporters, which act as pumps. These pumps transport molecules from low concentration region to high concentration region, utilizing energy or ATP. These pumps are specific to the molecules they carry, and they are sensitive to inhibitors. So these were the three main types of transports through which the molecules are transported from one region to the another region in a plant body. This is it for this video. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe the channel.